Hi, I'm Dahlia from BakinLove. I'd like to welcome you to the world of BakinLove. Our mission is to simplify the art of baking with our premium premixes, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone, from amateur home bakers to seasoned professionals. Join us as we take you on a journey through our baking ecosystem designed to inspire, educate, and bring people together through the love of baking.
Imagine wanting to bake a cake. You start with enthusiasm, but soon the complexity of measuring ingredients, the lengthy mixing processes, and the uncertainty of outcomes take away the joy. This is a common barrier for many who love the idea of baking but are intimidated by the process.
At BakinLove, we recognized this challenge and responded with a solution that turns tedious baking tasks into simple, joyful experiences. Our premixes ensure that even the most novice bakers can create delicious treats with ease and confidence every single time.
Our range of BakinLove premixes includes everything from moist sponge cakes and crunchy cookies to fluffy pancakes and can be customized to exotic local flavors like pandan and coconut. Each premix is crafted to provide perfect results, combining convenience with gourmet quality. We take pride in our formulations, which require minimal effort. Just add a few fresh ingredients, mix and bake. The result? Consistently delicious, homemade baked goods that look and taste as if they were made from scratch. BakinLove is more than just premixes. We are committed to fostering a community of baking enthusiasts and grow entrepreneurs in the baking ecosystem. Our baking classes, held for both children and adults, are educational and enjoyable. Whether it's a child's first cupcake or an adult mastering a complex pastry, we empower our community members to express themselves through the art of baking. As BakinLove continues to grow, so does our impact. From our humble beginnings in local kitchens to our expanding presence in international markets, we have penetrated Singapore and the United Kingdom. Our community is at the heart of everything we do. We've seen incredible engagement at our events, from festive baking classes to where smiles and shared experiences are our true measure of success. Our vision extends beyond borders, aiming to introduce the joy of baking to new audiences around the globe. We have successfully partnered with international brands to offer entrepreneurship development programs. Other than online, we are also available in Village Grocer nationwide, Ben's Independent Grocer, Sogo, and many other stores around Klang Valley. To expand further, we are looking to raise 500,000 ringgit and offering shares to those who join us today.
This is your chance to be part of a success story. Invest in BakinLove today and secure a stake in a dynamic company set to redefine the baking industry.
Act now, because opportunity, like baking, is all about perfect timing.